Hi everyone, it's Irena and today we're making banana smoothies. And so you can make it as a smoothie or a milkshake depending on what you put in to your drink. So today I'm making banana smoothies and with my Cook Expert, with the Magimix Cook Expert. So the first thing I'm going to do is just break in three bananas. Now this is going to make smoothies enough for about 4 to 6 people, so it really takes no effort. So 500 ml of milk. Now you can use any milk you like. You can use almond milk or anything you like, soy milk. That's just cow's milk. Your choice what you use. And so I like to pop some yogurt into that. A couple of nice big spoons to get to all your probiotics. And also some LSA. So LSA is very good for you. That's almond, linseed, and is it sesame? It's sunflower. Okay, so that's a great mix and I like to add that into it, but really that's completely your choice. So, and some honey. I like to add some honey. You don't need to because bananas are pretty sweet, but I like to add some in. There we go. So that's all I'm putting in there. And the Cook Expert has got if you turn it on, I'll take it back for you. So you roll it through Expert, cooking, blending. It's in the blending area. Go okay. And the first one is smoothie. That's all you do. And it actually takes care of it. So I'm going to turn it on for 1 minute. Okay. Why isn't it going? Oh, the lid's not on. So that's, there you go. So always good to double check that your lid and your bowl are on. So on we go. And the beauty of the Cook Expert is that it'll tell you what to do. So it tells you that the lid isn't on, pop it on. And it's really blending up those bananas beautifully, absolutely beautifully. There it goes. Woo! And I love the Magimix. It's so sturdy. It just sits very comfortably on your bench. It doesn't move around. It's a really sturdy machine. So we're going to open it up there like so, and our smoothie is ready. Have a look at this. So I'm going to just pour it in, and you'll see that the pourer allows it to pour beautifully straight into your glass. So there's 4 to 6 glasses of banana smoothie there, and it only took minutes. And so you could make up to 10 all in one go in 1 minute. How's that? That's pretty good. Now the other thing is what I love about my Cook Expert is that it's that quick to actually wash it. So I just add some water into that once I've poured all the smoothies out. I will add some water to it and put it into the rinse mode. So I'll show you where that is. You go back, you go past the blending, past baking, past food processing, settings, recipes, and then it comes to rinsing. And you'll see where the rinsing is. I just fill it up halfway. I put a little bit of detergent, just a drop, into it and turn that on, and it washes it beautifully. Then after that, all I need to do is rinse it under the tap for a second to get that detergent off, and it's clean. So 1 minute to make 10 smoothies, 1 minute to wash it. How good is that? Okay, see you later. Enjoy. I'm going to enjoy my smoothie. Oh, it's good. It's so smooth. Yum. See ya.